Old Alabama Gardener. Today we're talking about dehydrating or drying comfrey leaf for future making a salve. First thing we got to do is pick some comfrey leaves, and it takes quite a lot of leaves to produce the amount of dried or dehydrated comfrey that we want. The leaf rib takes a long time to dehydrate, so I'm going to remove it, use only the leaf parts. We'll use the rib for something else. I'm going to wash the leaves really well, and then I'm going to tear them into smaller parts because that will help them to dehydrate a little quicker. I'm putting a pretty good pile of leaves on each tray, and then I'm going to put another one of those white screens on top of that, because if you don't, once the leaves start drying out a little bit, the fan in the dehydrator tends to blow them around, and that top white plastic screen holds everything down. Now, when you're drying herbs, you always want to dry them at a low temperature. So we're going to go down here on this setting at about 95. You want to dehydrate the comfrey leaves until they're dry enough so you can crumble them between the palms of your hands like you see me doing here. Now, this is not the final size that we're going to get, but we'll start with this. I'm going to use a blender to reduce the leaf particles down to the size that I think it should be, the size that would be ideal, say for example, in making a comfrey poultice. Now, as you see, it does not take long at that high speed. So now we have dehydrated comfrey leaf ground up into the right size particles, and this is used to make an oil infusion, or we could store it and later on make a comfrey poultice with it.